Beanie? Beanie Snow? Does Beanie like snow? I don't think so.
Like the snow.
Oh my god, Tiger. Hello. Please don't give our cats fleas again. Bring Bumbut over here, Gabe. Tiger's used to snow. These two are not. Hello, little buddy. Are you okay? Beanie, how does it feel?
Do you like the snow?
Oh, she's getting curious.
Yeah.
Are you going to climb me again? Like you did the last time it snowed? Okay, days ago? No, not days ago. Months ago. Oh! That's not very nice. That's not very nice, Bean. You're not going under the house. Nope. Nope.
Come on, Lonnie.
Hup.
Come on.
You're chunky. Hey,
Do that.
Bean. I'm going to show her to the chickens. They don't like her. Oh, no. I'm going to get stuck. Beanie! Okay. Get that off my nose. Hey, Gabe, can you hold this? Oh! I'm just going to undo her from my wrist. There we go. She knows where to go. Oh, he's dragging you?
Yeah.
Come on. Hey, hand me that. Oh, Bean.
He wants back in.
Oh, hi, Simone.
Ah.
Bean wants in.